Today we're whipping up a batch of crispy air fryer Chipotle chicken tenders that's sure to become a new favourite recipe in your household. The recipe is quick, easy, delicious and packed with protein. We're also going to whip up a quick Chipotle meal that just takes it to the next level, and combined it is an absolute belter of a recipe that I hope you're going to love. First thing you want to do is get 1 teaspoon of Chipotle seasoning on your chicken breast. You can get this in pretty much all the supermarkets now. It's really popular. It's such a delicious flavour. And just set them aside, and then in your food processor add your cornflakes, your garlic powder, your onion granules, some salt, pepper and a little bit of thyme, and then just blitz that so that it crushes up those cornflakes and mixes all those seasonings, so you've just got this yummy flavour, crispy coating that you're going to dunk your chicken breasts in. Crack an egg into a bowl and whisk it, and then take your chicken, dunk it in the egg, and then cover it in the cornflake mixture. Now I'm cooking this in the air fryer, so I'm giving the chicken a little spray with olive oil first, and then I'm popping in the air fryer at 200 degrees for about 60 minutes, and I'll turn it halfway through. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people will get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. While the chicken's cooking, we're going to make an easy Chipotle mayonnaise. I'm using light mayonnaise and then some Chipotle paste. Mix all of that through and that is it. Make sure the chicken breasts have hit 74 degrees centigrade. That is the optimum temperature, and then that'll stop them being overcooked or undercooked. Plate them up, dunk them in the mayonnaise, get stuck in and think it's the best tender you've ever had. So there we have it, air fryer Chipotle chicken tenders. Now these bad boys look like something that would just come out of the deep fat fryer. They're so good. I think the air fryer, cooking crispy coated things, that's like the best thing you could use an air fryer for. Anyway, I'm excited to get stuck into these. If you want the full recipe for it, as always, you'll find it inside my Food for Fitness recipes app. If you click the link below in the description, you can download the app now and get this recipe and about 300 other high protein belters. Anyway, I'm off to give this a go. Thanks for watching. I'll speak to you later. It's so crispy. So crispy. Right, plenty of the dip on it. Amazing. You'll love it.